Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to search and apply for jobs on the X platform, so on Twitter. Now it's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. Now the first thing that you want to do is grab your mobile device and from out here open up the X platform. Now as you can see here, it opens up the Twitter feed. Now let's say you're a software engineer and you want to look for specific jobs in your area. We'll go to the top left corner where your profile picture appears and here open up the jobs section right below bookmarks. Now here you see already a load of options to choose from, but if I open up the software engineer tab, it's all random all across the world. Now what we want to do, we want to go into the job section. We want to press search jobs. And here first change the location to whatever area you want to apply a job for. Now let's say I'm from the Netherlands. Here I can open up the Netherlands and now it's random. Now there are a bunch of options that appear in the Netherlands, but what we want to do, we want to open up the search tab once more and try searching for software engineer, as you can see right here. Now there's a bunch of options, as you can see, for software engineers. Now let's choose a random one, a senior software engineer in Eden. As you can see, it's in Amsterdam. Now here you see a bit about the company, the payment solutions, and who you are. So let's say, you don't fit these boxes, you probably can't apply. But what you can do is here in the left corner, if this is a job you're looking for, simply press apply. Now this will usually take you to a page of their web that you can open up and apply from their website. Now you can save them. I'm not going to do it. Here scroll down and here you see your saved applications. Now from there you can start applying for jobs on the X platform. Now if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.